Welcome. Thank you for watching this video presented by CostStoreFixtures. Questions should be emailed to CostStoreFixtures@outlook.com. This application uses the Microsoft Excel spreadsheet program. Microsoft and Excel are trademarks and property of Microsoft Corporation. A Microsoft Corporation license is required to use the Excel program. The instruction example covers foundation principles and demonstrates the process by calculating the cost of a pedestal fixture step by step. Each instruction example consists of a macro button and a cell comment. To read the text of the macro before clicking the button, hover over the cell to the right of the button and the text of the macro is displayed. Complete the instruction example to develop an understanding and proficiency at preparing a cost workup. The instructions example is on the instruction sheet. The instruction sheet is the window currently displayed. The example starts at row 157. To get to the example, click the fourth button labeled B.000 Example Cost Workup Pedestal. The focus of step 1 of the 3 steps is on the principles of this process and how to enter dimensions on the single project dimensions sheet. Example item 1.2.21 Section component defined. A component within a section is a production item that begins at a vertical plane and it does not use another section number. Section numbers begin along the left edge of the fixture. One section can span across other planes that are the start of another section. 8 sections are used in this cost workup process. The elevation wall case sheet has examples of numbered, labeled sections. More than one component and part may be in one section. Review the elevation wall case to understand sections. This example 1.2.21 is completed. Continue the instructions example by clicking item 1.2.22.